Hey guys, it's Anna. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a full face to first impressions. I think it's my first or second video doing this on my channel. So I'm excited and let's jump in. Okay, I don't have a primer. I think it's one of the only items that I don't have. Yeah. So I'm just going to use my Verzali Skin Tune Blur. Okay, moving on to foundation. I got the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and it is in the shade Oh Slow. I guess that's how you say that. It's like stuck. I'm gonna be using my beauty blender. I got a new one. It's really like liquidy. My face has been super dry, so that's maybe a good thing. Okay, coverage. Okay, I'm not mad at it. Okay, not mad so far. Well, I have all my stuff laid out on my desk, so like everything's moving right now. Okay, not mad at this coverage right now, guys. I think I did like 3 or 4 pumps though, and I still have like this portion of my forehead to do. That was like 3 pumps right there, and that's not a lot. So this portion right here was like 1 pump. And I'm gonna go in for some like more full coverage over here. I mean, it's a nice foundation. Like you can apply like a light layer if you don't want as full coverage, but I just like a lot of full coverage, so I'm gonna apply more. So I think it's definitely like buildable. I'm really liking it so far, and I think it's like a dewy finish. Okay, I feel like this might be my new favorite foundation for my skin type right now. But it is on the pricier side. It's $50, but I really, really like it. So, it's worth the $50 in my opinion right now. I mean, of course, I'll have to do like a wear test, and I'll put in the description how it wore. But I really like it right now. Okay, moving on to concealer. I have a hair right here, and it's itching so bad. I got the MAC Studio Fix 24 Hour Smooth Wear Concealer in NW10. It's like, I eventually went to Ulta to get like the NARS, I don't even know what it's called, for this video. And there was a girl like helping me out and stuff, and like we were testing the shade, and she was doing it, and it was like literally my same skin tone because I'm so fair. And another girl came over and she was like, well, what are you looking for in a concealer? And I told them, I was like, well, I have a YouTube channel, and I was just doing a full face to first impressions, and I just want to try out this concealer for my video. And she was like, okay, well, I really like this concealer. And so she started putting it on me, and we were talking and everything, and she had a YouTube channel, or not a YouTube channel, Instagram. She just started, and I just thought it was so cool. So we had this whole conversation about makeup and everything, and so it was so awesome. And so I followed her and everything, and so I'm gonna put her Instagram in the description box below, so you can go check her out. And I'll let her know that I did that. I'll send her a DM and let her know that I showed her out. So I just thought it was really cool, and I love like supporting each other. So if you guys are interested in makeup or whatever, and you want to just like send me a DM on Instagram or whatever, and you just want to talk and have a conversation about makeup, just let me know, because like I'm down, and I would love to support each like other like influencers and stuff like that. So yeah, just wanted to like put that out there. So I just thought it was so cool that there was like other people in my like around me in my county that like had like a makeup accounts and stuff, because I didn't know about it, and I just thought it was so cool. But yeah, so anyways, on to this concealer. I'm gonna put it on now after I blabbed for like 5 minutes. It's very like creamy. So like it is like super like full coverage, so it's not like as drying as like Shape Tape is. But it does kind of dry down a little bit fast, so you have to like blend it out fast. I look brightened. I love it. That's all I have to say. Okay, this is the elf sponge. Yeah, the elf blending sponge. I got it for Christmas and it's new. I just went ahead and opened it to wet it. And I don't have a powder, but I do have a sponge, so that counts, right? So I'm just gonna use this new Laura Mercier powder that I got from my boyfriend, even though he doesn't watch my videos, but at least he likes them, so that counts, right? The sponge is very big, and it keeps like the moisture of when I wet it. I don't know about this sponge. I don't really like it. Okay, I'm gonna set the rest of my face. I actually got some new brushes, so I'm gonna use those, and I'm gonna set it with a powder that I have. Actually, I lied. I forgot about these brushes. They don't have a powder brush, but they do have another sponge, and I'm gonna use that sponge to set the rest of my face with this powder. This sponge is so cute. It's like a diamond. It's really hard. Okay, so I'm gonna use my paint pot. Okay, so for brows, I got an e.l.f. 2-piece eyebrow set. I'm gonna clean them up with a concealer. Okay, so now I got the sultry palette, and we're going to be using the some of these I'm gonna try to incorporate some of these eye brushes. I haven't opened this. It's been so hard not to open it when I got it. So pretty. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh. I'm gonna look at it myself too. I was thinking about doing a video like just in itself, like by itself, of a first impressions, but I just couldn't wait because we're going on vacation and I wouldn't have had time, so I just decided to do it in this video. I think I'm gonna go in with Fresh all over my lid. I'm gonna use this blending brush. Oh guys, I didn't even talk about the background change. I got my new vanity. It's so pretty. I've been like raving about it. I went from this ugly thing over here to these pretty drawers. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with Birch. Oh, these are pigmented. Yes, I've never tried any of their palettes before. I just said that, but I'm gonna say it again. Okay, I know which kind of look I want to do. I don't know what it's called, but I know what I want to do. Okay, now I'm going to go in with Dystopian. I'm going to go in with a smaller blending brush in the outer corner. Okay, now I'm going to take the brush that came in the palette. I'm going to take the flat side. I'm going to go in with Bloom, the pinky shade, and I'm going to put it all over my lid. And I'm going to go in with Pearl and put it in the inner corner. Now I'm going to blend the edges. I think I'm going to go over Bloom a little bit with Rose Quartz, which is the shade right here. Yeah, that looks much better. Takes like the brightness away a little bit. Okay, and now I'm going to take Fresh again and put it underneath the brow. Okay, now for liner, I have this e.l.f. waterproof eyeliner pen. I'm going to do my eyeliner off camera. Okay, liner is on. It's not my favorite, but it's not my least favorite, so yeah. Okay, next for mascara is a Tarte Light Caramel Lashes. looks goopy, which that's good. It's hard to beat my favorite mascara, which is the telescopic mascara from L'Oreal. Okay, so this mascara, it's okay. It's not bad. Like I said, it's hard to top my favorite. I got a contour kit and I'm using my brushes for it. So it's a Smashbox Holidays Contour and Spotlight Palette. I have been really wanting to break into this because literally all I use is the Benefit Hoola Bronzer and my Tarte blush. So, oh, it's so cool. I've never seen it before. Like, it's not hyped up that I know of. So I was like so intrigued. Like, I really want to try it out. Like, and I couldn't open it until this video. So I'm gonna go in with this one in the middle. It's called Bronze. Oh, it's pigmented. I really like this. My eyebrow itches so bad. Okay, now for blush. I got this thing in Ipsy. It's from Lottie London, I guess. It's a blush in Zane. I forgot that I had a cream blush, but I guess we're just not gonna use that. Okay, and then for this one, it's so pretty. Amorisi, I guess that's how you say it, highlighter from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Saw this in Sephora and I was like, I don't think I got a highlighter for my thing. And apparently I didn't get a primer either or a powder, but it's okay. It's so pretty. Like that packaging, like how do you do that? Okay, and I'm gonna use this brush from the thingy. Okay. Come on, brush. Maybe it came off. I love it. Let's move on to lips. I got a lip pencil, or I had a lip pencil from NYX in NYX Suede matte lip pencil in Tea and Cookies. Okay, and then I have a lip gloss from Anastasia Beverly Hills in Venus. Oh, it smells so good. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I think it looks great. Like, I love this look. Like, it looks great. Okay, I'm very happy with all of the products that I have got. So, yeah, I really like it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and be sure to subscribe to my channel and like and comment, and that's all for this video. So yeah, bye guys.